Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup collection and how I got my vanity mirror for my vanity. I did it myself. So if you'd like to see how I did that and you'd like to see my makeup, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go over is my vanity mirror. This mirror actually came from Hobby Lobby, I think. It's just like a craft store here. So what I did is I just painted. It was a wood mirror. I just painted it white with some paint I think I got from that store too. And then these bulbs on it, they're LED bulbs. So I got them online at Walmart. I'm gonna put them in the description below because I don't know exactly what they're called. But the back of them has like a sticky thing you can peel off, and I just literally stuck the bulb onto the mirror and I made that. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, I'll put that in the description box below, but it looks nice. And the actual vanity itself I found online, I think on the Facebook marketplace. There was someone selling it for $150 and I talked them down to $100, and there was nothing wrong with it at all. So I don't know if you can find one that, because this is a very nice one. It has like a drawer and everything. I'll show you guys that later. I don't know if there's like similar ones, but definitely I would say if you're in the market for a vanity, definitely shop like secondhand, like the Facebook marketplace or eBay. Okay, so the first thing my vanity I'm going to show you guys is just this mirror. I think I got this from JCPenney's a long time ago, but it is an LED mirror. You probably can't see it on there. So this works perfectly for like stuff that I just have to be closer to see. And to be honest, I'm pretty sure this mirror was more expensive than this big mirror I got, because I'm pretty sure this mirror was $60 and this was close to $100. So this is really expensive, but I love this. I don't think I could do my makeup without this, to be honest. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna go over is these cute little things I got from Five Below. So they're just brush holders. This one says I may not be perfect, but my makeup is. Okay. And then this one says flawless. I just thought these are really cute. I just picked these up a couple weeks ago, so those are pretty new. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys what is in these drawers. Oops. So these drawers, on the top of it, I just have these lipsticks. These are the NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks. I got a bunch of them, so I just put them in this little lipstick holder thing. This is just a sharpener for my eyebrow pencil. I have some glue right here because I use hair glue to put my lashes on. I know everyone says that you shouldn't do that, but I do it. It makes my lashes look better to me. Do what you gotta do for the look. So in this first drawer, I keep the stuff that I use on a daily basis. Like, well, not daily because I don't wear makeup every day. You guys probably realize that from watching my videos. I just can't. But the stuff that I use often, so my mascara, my dip brow, the liquid eyeliner I use, my brow pencil, and things like that. I have some lashes, have a bunch of lashes. Bottom drawer is really stuff I don't use at all, really. These are like those little eye shields you like put under your eyes. And these are really cute. I don't know why I don't use these. They're color tattoo eye chrome. Like, even the colors are really cute. I don't know who they're by. Oh, Maybelline. But they're really cute. It could be a look, but I don't know why I don't use them. And I also have a bunch of that NYX glitter, which I don't use either. But like, I have different ones of those. In this, I have a bunch of foundations and primers. I don't use all of these at all. The two I'm currently using is the Becca Skin Love, and I mixed that with this Milani foundation because the Becca Skin Love is kind of too dark for me, so I've been mixing it with this to get, you know, my right shade. So right now for primer, I haven't really been using, I just been using my Mario Badescu spray for primer. Really, I can't find a primer I like, so I do have some primers that I'll show you guys. I have this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. This is Becca Evermatte Poreless primer. And then I also have the Professional primer. Yeah, I just haven't been able to find one for me. These are really good primers though. If I had to pick my favorite, it would be the Smashbox primer. But I'm currently just not using a primer right now because I can't find one I like. So I have some powders in the back of here. I don't use any of these powders though. Currently I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder for setting right now. And then I just have some more lashes. These lashes are bomb actually. I don't know why I haven't worn these yet. And then I have two things filled, like lipstick holders filled with lipstick. I can't talk today at all. I have more of the Liquid Suede NYX. These are really dusty because honestly I don't wear lipstick. I don't wear these lipsticks, to be honest. I might wear it every once in a while, but like I said, I really don't do bold looks. Honestly, the main thing I wear is my Fenty, what is this called? The Fenty Glow. Because it looks good with everything, to be honest. So that's what I've been using. Some of the ones I do use is this Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. This color is Mulberry. I do like this. I wore this pretty recently, I think. So this is one of my favorites. Those are probably the only ones I really wear. I have tons of lipstick and I just don't wear them. I don't know why. I need to. So over here I just have some setting sprays. This is an all-nighter setting spray. The Morphe continuous setting spray. I think this is my favorite just because it is a continuous spray, but it runs out so fast. It's probably me because I use too much setting spray. Most recently I've been using my Mario Badescu spray and it looks fine. Honestly, I think it does the job, and this is only $12 for this big bottle. This is around $15 and this is like $32. But you know, I always have all-nighter spray. So these are just some makeup wipes over here, and then this, it's like a little diamond. It's cute. Some makeup, like highlights in them. I don't know if I can get that to focus, but they're popping for real. There we go. They're really good. I have some blushes in it, lipstick. Okay, so now we're gonna look to see what's in my drawer. I'm gonna have to zoom y'all in for this. Yikes, is this gonna come down? Okay, so my drawer, you probably can't see my face anymore, but that's fine. Well, let me see if I can. Okay, we're not gonna show my face. That's literally just a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes. So first we'll start with these. I have a whole bunch of the Naked palettes. Have the Heat Naked palette. Okay, so the Heat Naked palette, Smoky, and then I have Naked 3. I have two Morphe palettes, I think. Yeah. Both of them are Jaclyn Hill palettes. This is my favorite palette though. This is my favorite makeup palette out of all of them. Just look at these colors. I really want the James Charles one, but every time I go, it's sold out. I'm actually gonna go today and see if I can find it. This is the highlight palette I've been using, Anastasia Glow Kit. I also use this Becca, I think this is Champagne Pop. Well, wrong way, duh. So that's one of the highlights I use. So this is a Too Faced. I think was their anniversary palette or something, because yeah, their 20 years anniversary palette. So like up here is the original. I'm guessing it's like the original colors because they're from 1998, and then this is the colors they came out with in 2018. And the colors are really cute in here too. I just don't wear a lot of colored makeup, so I don't get tons of use out of it. That's what I use for contouring. It's the Park Ave Princess by Tarte. I am looking for a new one. It's not that I don't like this one, but I've been using it for a while. I just like to try new products sometimes. But the colors, I use these two mostly. I'm trying to find my favorites for you guys. This Anastasia Sculpture palette is really nice, especially for like, they're kind of like fallish colors. I love these ones. So those are going to be all my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I have tons more, but I'm not going to bore you guys with all of that. I'm just going to throw this back in there. Okay, so over here I just have some of my skin products. And these are those magnetic lashes. So I really wanted to try those, and I didn't get like, hold on, I can show you better than I can tell you. So it's like one of these things, but it's the magnetic ones. So I didn't get that, thinking it was gonna be like super easy. I can just snap the lashes together, but that's not the case. If this works, listen, it takes me 10 minutes to put on lashes. This could save me some time, okay? And then I just have some of my skin products. These are sample sizes of that. It's the Kiehl's powerful strength line reducing concentrate. It's supposed to be really good. Everyone, I know a lot of people who have it. I don't know, I guess I haven't used it enough to see, but I do want to purchase a bigger bottle of that. And I have vitamin E oils. Tip, this helps with dark marks. I think I might actually do a video on skincare. I just dropped it, it's whatever. Stuff, blush, Q-tips, because I use Q-tips for makeup. And that's about it. Okay guys, so that's my makeup collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I use, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.